So welcome back, guys. So yesterday I did the 1,000 push-up challenge in 1 hour, and I failed. Okay, but I didn't do too bad for my age. Okay, AI said I was pretty elite for my age, but that's no excuse. Next time I would try to get to 1,000. So today we have to go get my son's passport because it expired. So we have to go get that real quick today, and after that we might go eat afterwards. Today is a Tuesday, but we have to teach today, so that way we have a longer vacation coming up. So stay tuned for that. I don't think I'm gonna work out today, guys, because yesterday after I did that challenge, my shoulders hurt, my abs and my obliques hurt, my chest is sore, my triceps are sore, and my elbows hurt. So I guess that's what happens when you're old. I'm pretty old, guys. I'm not gonna tell you my age, but I'm pretty old. So I'm gonna give it some time to rest and maybe work out tomorrow instead. So that is today's vlog. Let's go ahead and go pick up my son's passport. Here we go, guys. Hey, look at this nice weather. It's springtime. Heading out to get my son's passport now. Let's go. So we're here at the government building. It's pretty big. It looks pretty nice. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for the people to come back so we can pick up my son's passport. This is a pretty big government building. It looks more like a shopping mall to me. You see how big it was? Now it's time to take the subway to go get some food. Is she working or just waving that thing around? The subways are so clean here compared to New York City. So we just got my son's passport. Now we're hungry, so we're going to MIXC over there to go get some food. You guys see Domino's? Yeah. When that first opened up, the line was very long. Enough walking around, time for some food. This area used to have a lot of little stalls. I guess they took them all down. Time to go home. Now these drivers drive crazy. Thank you for watching today, guys. Today was just a daily vlog. Nothing too special. I'll see you soon.